Thank you so much for all of the feedback on this series. I am so excited for you to implement all of this into your life. If you have not watched the first 2 videos of this series, make sure you go back and watch that first so that this video makes sense to you. This video is part of the 3-part series I am doing to show you exactly what I did to manifest my dream life. Today is part 3, and I can't wait to put all of the pieces together for you. You have your scripting process to use every night before you go to bed. You have your I am affirmations, and you have your dream life script. I'm now going to walk you through how to use all of this. This is the fun part, and a method I've never seen anywhere else. Neville Goddard states, "Chance or accident is not responsible for the things that happen to you, nor is predestined fate the author of your fortune or misfortune. Your subconscious impressions determine the conditions of your world. The subconscious is not selective. It is impersonal and no respecter of persons. It always accepts as true that which you feel to be true. Feeling is the assent of the subconscious to the truth of that which is declared to be true. Because of this quality of the subconscious, there is nothing impossible to man. Whatever the mind of man can conceive and feel is true, the subconscious can and must objectify. Your feelings create the pattern form which your world is fashioned, and a change of feeling is a change of patterns." We want to get your dream life and affirmations deep into your subconscious. To do this, I want you to download an app called Think Up. I have an image of the app here so you can recognize it easily in the App Store. I have zero affiliation with this app and do not receive a commission or anything else for recommending it. It's just the one I found to use for this particular exercise. You can find a similar one and use it. I'm just not familiar with any others, as this is the one I found to work best. I did end up paying for this service. I believe at the time of recording this, it was $40 for the entire year, and it will be the best $40 you will ever spend. Again, you can probably find a free version that is similar somewhere. This is just what I use. You are going to record your entire list of I am affirmations and also your entire dream life script into the app. I used the free meditation music for mine. Feel free to use any music that resonates with you. I have it softly playing in the background of my dream life script. Once you have your music picked out, you are going to record both your dream life script and your I am statements into the app. You will want to talk slowly and softly. You want to give the words time to sink in. It may take you a few times of recording to get it right, and that's okay. Here's where the magic happens. You now have a writing and recording of your dream life and your affirmations. Every morning and every night, the goal is to either read the paper or listen to the recording. I want this to be the first thing you do in the morning. If you are picking up your phone to listen to the recording, go right to the recording. Don't check email or social media, just go right to the recording. You want this to go right into your subconscious as you are waking up. If you are listening to this, lay in bed with your eyes closed and feel into each dream life scenario. If you are reading it, take a minute after each paragraph and close your eyes and envision it and feel it. Both of these work incredibly well, and you may find one resonates more than the other or one resonates more than the other on a particular day. My favorite thing about listening to the recording is you can do it anytime. I usually try to lay out when it's warm and get some morning sun. I love to listen to my recording while I'm laying there feeling the warm sun on my body. I listen to it while I'm doing dishes or out on a walk. You just want to keep listening and getting your subconscious on board. At night, you can do your perfect day scripting and then follow it up with reading your dream life script or listening to your recording. As you fall asleep, feel into anything you can from any of the scripts. I like to run through my perfect day first in my head and feel into it, and then go into the dream life script. There is no wrong way. As long as you resonate and feel deeply into it, that's the key. Now, I'm not suggesting that you sit back and listen to this or read this and all will fall into your lap. I am a firm believer of taking action along with doing this exercise. However, I believe this is the first and most important step to start changing your subconscious patterning to believe that you can have anything you desire. Once you hold that belief, it is much easier to start taking action toward your dream life. For example, let's say you put on your list that you are 20 pounds lighter. It is much easier for you to start eating right and working out when you take on the persona of someone who is 20 pounds lighter. We're going to go much deeper into this in upcoming videos, but the first step is to get your subconscious to feel and believe that you are that person that is 20 pounds lighter. It will push you to make choices that a person who was 20 pounds lighter would make. I have been so excited to share this process with you. Thank you so much for following along. I can't wait to continue to bring you along on this journey and see the changes in your life. There are so many things I have to share with you. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss an upcoming video. Have an amazing day.